Hello friend, welcome to IGNOU BEG 145 soft skill, and this is the preparation for the top end exam TEE. And first we are now in block 1 and the last unit of block 1, that is unit 4. The topics is keeping fit. Let's study from this unit. So first let's have a brief introduction about the keeping fit. Keeping fit is an essential component of overall personality and soft skill development. In today's fast-paced and stressful life, physical fitness and mental well-being play a crucial role in maintaining productivity, emotional balance, and effectiveness in both personal and professional life. This unit focuses on the importance of physical health, mental health, stress management, and work-life balance. A healthy individual is better equipped to handle challenges, maintain positive relationships, and perform efficiently at work. Some important questions let's discuss from this unit. The question number 1 is, what do you understand by keeping fit? Discuss the importance of physical and mental fitness in everyday life. Keeping fit refers to maintaining good physical health and mental well-being. It enables individuals to perform daily activities efficiently and cope with stress and challenges effectively. Fitness is not limited to physical strength alone, but also includes mental stability and emotional balance. So physical fitness refers to the ability of the body to function efficiently and resist illness. It involves proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate rest, and healthy lifestyle habits. Importance of physical fitness. It improves energy and stamina. It reduces risk of disease. It enhances productivity, and it improves posture and physical appearance, and it promotes longevity. Then mental fitness refers to a healthy state of mind where an individual can think clearly, manage emotion, and handle stress. The importance of mental fitness. It improves concentration and decision making. It reduces anxiety and depression. It enhances emotional stability. It promotes positive attitude, and it improves interpersonal relationship. So in conclusion, the physical and mental fitness are interdependent and essential for overall well-being. A fit individual is more confident, productive, and capable of leading a balanced life. Okay, now let's go for the question number 2. What is stress? Discuss the causes of stress and method to manage it effectively. Okay, so stress is a common experience in modern life, especially due to academic pressure, work demands, and personal responsibilities. While a certain level of stress can be motivating, excessive stress can harm physical and mental health. The meaning of stress. Stress refers to a physical and psychological response to situations that are perceived as demanding or threatening. The causes of stress: work pressure and deadlines, academic expectation, financial difficulties, relationship conflicts, poor time management, and health issues. So stress management techniques. So there are some techniques which helps to manage the stress. Number 1, time management, planning and prioritizing tasks. Physical exercise reduces tension and improves mood. Relaxation techniques, yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Positive thinking reduces negative emotions. Seeking support, sharing concerns with others, and healthy lifestyle, that is proper diet and sleep. Conclusion: effective stress management is essential for maintaining health, productivity, and emotional balance. Learning to manage stress improves overall quality of life. Question number 3. Discuss the importance of mental health in personal and professional life. So mental health is an integral part of overall well-being. It influences how individuals think, feel, behave, and interact with others in daily life. So importance of mental health. It improves emotional stability, it enhances decision making ability, it increases productivity and efficiency, it improves interpersonal relationship, it helps cope with challenges and setbacks, and it reduces risks of burnout and depression. Then mental health at the workplace. So promotes the mental health at the workplace promotes positive work culture, reduces absenteeism, and improves teamwork and collaboration. So conclusion: a good mental health is essential for personal happiness and professional success. Maintaining mental well-being helps individuals lead balanced and fulfilling lives. The question number 4: explain the concept of work-life balance. Why is it important in modern life? Okay, let's discuss about this. Work-life balance refers to maintaining a healthy balance between professional responsibilities and personal life. In the modern world, maintaining this balance has become increasingly challenging but essential. Importance of work-life balance: it reduces stress and burnout, it improves physical and mental health, it enhances productivity, it improves family and social relationship, and it increases job satisfaction. So ways to maintain work-life balance. Uh, so to maintain work-life balance, you have to have effective time management, setting clear priorities, and taking regular breaks, maintaining healthy routines, and learning to say no. Now, the conclusion is work-life balance is crucial for long-term well-being and success. A balanced life leads to happiness, efficiency, and overall satisfaction. Okay, now the some point to remember is this is stress management is very frequent from this unit. Physical and mental health questions are repeating time to time. So work-life balance often asked as 20 marks. As you know, my dear friend, these topics always ask 20 marks question. Thank you very much.